Maybe here's a final thought, a way to filter things mentally, especially for those P030X misfire codes, which are so common. We talked about the 4 essential conditions for combustion: fuel, air, compression, and spark. So, next time that light comes on and maybe you suspect a misfire, try not to immediately jump to what part broke. Instead, ask yourself, which one of those 4 fundamental elements might be missing or weak in that cylinder? Is it likely a spark issue, plugs, or coils? Is it an air issue, vacuum leak maybe? Could it be a fuel delivery problem, injector, or less commonly, a compression problem? Thinking about it through those 4 pillars can really help narrow down the possibilities and guide the diagnosis.